The two things that keep me awake, or potentially keep me awake, are one is operational risk and second is reputational risk. And the reason that I choose these two risk families as opposed to credit risk or market risk is that credit risk and market risk are much more predictive, and through the processes that we follow in terms of judiciously choosing our portfolio, our obligor selection, etc., all of that, we have a much better handle on credit risk. Similarly, in terms of market risk, we have whatever our balance sheet is, and in terms of our exposure to the market, to the extent the instruments are subject to market forces, there's price risk, there's liquidity risk, there's a much greater predictive element to that, and part of that is also because of the regulatory framework that is imposed on us, and we can talk about that later. But operations risk and reputational risk I find are a little intangible, and particularly in a country like India, where we are operating in an environment where the quality of the environment being what it is, the quality of the infrastructure being what it is, although the quality of the financial infrastructure in terms of payment systems, exchanges has become much more robust, but still, given the number of points at which we do business, the kind of environmental exposure I have, I rate operational risk as pretty high. And you must also, I don't want to make a value judgment here, but given the general decline in standards that we've seen, moral standards in society, exacerbated by disparities in wealth or whatever, you reopen the papers, you read about potential fraud, etc. So as a financial institution where we have a fiduciary role, we're custodians of people's money, so that's what keeps me extremely worried in terms of operations risk. The other aspect that keeps me worried is reputational risk, because for a financial institution, your asset is your reputation. And today, given the widespread reporting of a single instance, or given the profile of your institution, profile of your brand, today, a simple incident can be reported in such a manner that can kind of bring your reputation down, very easily, very sharply. So those are the two risks that kind of keep me awake at night.